You only get 18 summers with your children. You get just one first birthday, maybe 10 chances to play Santa, and 16 times to play the Tooth Fairy. They only learn to ride a bike once and only one time to say I love you for the first time. 1 or 2 proms, 1 high school graduation, and just one chance to show them what a loving family home feels like. The days feel long, yes, but the years go by faster than you think. This is your reminder to slow down, soak it in, make the most of all of these little moments while you have the chance. Because once these moments are gone, they don't come back. And one day, you'll look back and realize they were the most important days of your life.